What is up, guys? It is Jasper from KidFab, and of course, there's Jace. And today, we are going to be welding a piece of metal that we recently made in our previous video on the plasma table onto the back of our hot rod truck's bed.
Remember, it should have about 10 inches. That's, let's see, 10 3/4. And ideally, 10 and a half, 11 and a half, right there. That's 11, and just about 11. So that's centered. So what you should see is those wrenches right between the roll bars or the cage, right? Looks about right.
Yeah, I'd say that's right.
And what we'll do is weld it down here, and then on the ends here, I'm going to do a reverse light and a turn signal. Reverse light, turn signal. This is where we fill up the fuel. So we're getting it all. We wanted to have it a little bit of a taper, so it meets up with the top of the bed, which gives me some kind of area to tack this in. I think what we'll potentially do too is maybe add some lights in the back that go underneath the bed, shine out when I turn on the running lights, shine through the KidFab logo. So we just,
I think so.
okay. So tacking.
And we get an inspiration from Grindhard Plumbing Co., a really awesome channel that make cool and unique builds. You guys should definitely go watch them after this.
Watch your eyes.
We got a little shifter, which is really cool. We got the seats in, we got the carpet down, and I want to show you guys something. If you have not recently seen our channel, this is our hot rod truck, and this is how it starts. So there's like the ignition, the exhaust, all these things. And then we click engine start, and it's like how you start a plane. It's so cool. And also, thank you guys for all the support you gave us on the last video. That was awesome. It was a short video, not very eventful, but the fact that we got over 300 views, and on our first video ever made, we only got 85 in like a month. That is so crazy. Thank you guys so much for all the support, and thank you for watching the videos. And make sure to go watch Grindhard Plumbing Co. And don't forget to like and subscribe. It's completely free, and you can always change your mind later. Let's get back to putting it on the bed. Oops, and a little spoiler alert. Soon we'll be making a go-kart, and hopefully I'll be doing a burnout in it. It'll be pretty cool. Little flame.
Sweet. Are you still recording?
Yeah, I'm still recording.
So another thing I just was thinking about when I was recording or welding this is another shout out we can throw to some guys that help me mentally with this build, and just watching their stuff is Freiberger and Finnegan on Roadkill. We've watched a lot of their stuff, and it's inspired me to build a Scout with a 6-liter and an MB4500, and then this thing, this rowdy and dangerous thing. So Roadkill guys, Finnegan, Freiberger, thanks man, you guys are awesome. So now we can punch some holes in here and run the top into the wood, and we'll be done. Turn the gas off, turn the welder off, because it doesn't really need to hold any structural area, but I think I can do more. What are you doing, boy?
Definitely excited. We're about to get our license, or license thing for registered, and we're gonna get this on the road very soon. I'm really excited for that. Guys, we're trying to get better editing on our videos, so definitely look forward to that. We're going to try and add some music and other cool effects to it, so hopefully we'll be able to get that done pretty soon.
Doing there is kind of making a little bit of countersink, so the screw head kind of sits. This is the metal, but this metal's kind of thin. See how it makes it like that? There's that countersink. Now, this little feller.
I was thinking, it might not happen like very soon, or it may never happen, but that'd be cool if we put a block there and a block there. That'd be pretty cool.
It's a little warm. And I think we'll just leave it metal coated up.
Yeah. Our dad built this fireplace. It's really cool. Just a rectangle fireplace that we spray painted, and there's a wrench handle to open and close the door. It's a really cool fireplace, and the pellet stove connects to this pipe that goes all the way up and out of the shop. And this one time got up to 600 degrees. You might not be able to see it very well, but that got up to 600 degrees. It was very hot.
It was gonna bug me if I didn't finish it. Cool! Installed. That looks awesome.
Alright guys, make sure to like and subscribe if you change your mind. It's alright. And yeah, go check out our channels that we shouted out, and I think we're gonna wrap it up. KidFab out.